Hey, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then hello and welcome. So glad to have you here. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that little subscribe button, and also don't forget to click that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So today's video is pretty fun and exciting. I actually haven't filmed a tutorial in quite a while, and I got a request from my May favorites to do a tutorial on the look that I was wearing. So that's what we'll be doing today. If you haven't checked out my May favorites, make sure you check it out. I share a ton of products that I have been loving in the month of May and some for the past couple of months. So definitely check it out. So for today's look, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. It's a palette that I have been absolutely loving and literally grabbing for like on a daily basis. And so this is kind of a more, you know, sultry, dramatic, going out type of look. You guys really seem to like it and want to know how to create it, so that's what I'll be doing today. So I really hope that you enjoy this video. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up if you do, and yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, we're going to start out by using the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. It is a pore purifying mask. I'm just going to spread it all over the face, and it gives me a nice, clean, tingly, and like cool feeling. I leave it on for 10 minutes and wash it off. Next, we're going to moisturize with the Tatcha water cream and just spread it all around our face so we feel nice and hydrated. I also did use the Cover FX Blurring Primer, but I guess I didn't get footage of that. Next, we're going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light Medium Honey and use this as an eyeshadow base. Now moving on to the eyes, we're going to grab Orange Soda from the Soft Glam palette and apply that into our crease using a Morphe G24 brush and just using this as a transition color. Next, we're going to grab Burnt Orange and just lay that right on top using that same fluffy brush just to deepen up that crease. So next, we're going to pick up Sienna and Rustic together and using a more dense blending brush. This is also from Morphe, but it doesn't have a number. I just know that it comes in the vegan collection. We're going to work that into the crease and into the outer V corner. Then going in with our fluffy brush, we're just going to blend that out. Taking this mulberry color and using a very tiny blending brush from Sonia Kashuk. I don't know the name of it, but I will insert a clip so you can see the size difference in a regular blending brush. We're just going to take that above the crease a little, work it into the inner corner, and also darken up the outer corner. We're going to be picking up Sultry with our finger and applying that to the center of our eyelid. And I'm taking this all the way up to that crease color that we applied right above our natural crease line. Then with a wet brush, I am going to pat and seal that in. And for our second pop of color, we'll be picking up Bronze and applying that to our inner corner with our finger also. And again, just bringing that under that crease we created and patting it in with a wet brush. And then blending those two in together with our finger. Going in with Cypress Umber and Mulberry, grabbing those two and just deepening up that outer V. This will kind of be the last time that we add some color into that crease. And just making sure that it looks nice and vibrant and blended out with our fluffy brush. And for a little highlight, we'll be taking Glistening and applying that to our brow bone. Moving on to the face, we're using Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Caramel. I'm just applying this all over the face, and then I will be using the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. You guys, I haven't used this brush in such a long time, but I forgot how amazing it is. It literally blends out so flawlessly. I'm obsessed. And now I'm just going to add on a second layer. That's another thing that I love about this foundation. It is just so nice and light. You can layer and it still looks amazing, natural, and just so good. To contour, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Espresso. Again, these are so blendable, so I find that they work perfect for contour. And I'm using the Mascara Hack Detail Brush to blend it all out. My cheeks, after I blend it out with the brush, I do like to go over it with a beauty blender just to make sure there are no harsh lines and it's nice and blended. For the nose, I'm using the Sigma Precision Angled P84 brush. And then we are going to start concealing. We're just going to add concealer to all the areas that we want highlighted: the nose, the forehead, the upper lip, and the chin. Then just using my Beauty Blender Pro, I am blending all of the areas that are concealed, and you are left with a nice, bright, and illuminated face. To set everything in, we are using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Translucent Setting Powder. Again, I absolutely love this powder, and it's what I've been using to set everything in and kind of do a mini bake. We're not full-on baking, just mini baking. To bronze the face, we are using the Wet n Wild Contour and Highlight Duo. Now we're just taking off all of that excess powder and blending it into the rest of our face. For blush, we are using the Flights of Fancy Wet n Wild Don't Flutter Me blush. It is gorgeous. I love it. Just misting our face in preparation for some highlight. We are using Shayla X Colourpop's Collab Highlight in Boomin. And you guys, this color, it's Boomin faux show. Literally such a beautiful color. I am beaming. Just finishing off the eyebrows. If you'd like to see an updated routine, please let me know in the comments down below and I'd be happy to create one for you. Next, going back to rustic, we are going to finish off the eyes by taking that to the lower lash line and then adding mulberry, again, right over that rustic color and just blending that in. To finish it off, we are going back to glistening and using this as our inner corner highlight. So pretty, yes. And finishing it off with some mascara. For lips, we are using the Tartiest Tarte Lip Paint in Bestie and also the Colourpop High Glossy Lip Gloss in Lychee Me. They make the perfect combo. I have absolutely been loving it. To set it all in, we are using the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, spraying that all over and just soaking in that Tatcha goodness. And we are done. This is the final look. Yes, girl. Give me a side look. Oh, yeah. Alright guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also leave me a comment down below letting me know which product you are going to be trying out that maybe you haven't and I used in this video. And also, if you do happen to recreate this, make sure to tag me through any of my social media. You can find that in the description down below. And again, I just had so much fun doing this. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next one. Bye!